Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Wilson, and today we're going to be talking about graphing points on coordinate grids. And in 5th grade we talk about coordinate grids and we talk about the first quadrant only, so we're only talking about positive numbers. So when we're talking about finding coordinates, we're finding basically x and y places on a grid. And these are both positive numbers in the first quadrant, and so what we do is we start at a place called the origin. The origin is where your x and your y-axis meet. And that point is 0, 0. It's your origin, it's your starting point. And when we're graphing coordinates within the first quadrant, we are going to go over and then we're going to go up. So x, y, x tells you how many places to move over, and then the y coordinate tells you how many places to go up. So you can see I've kind of done the first one for us. So if I'm looking for my green dot, I'm going to come over to my grid, and I'm going to follow, starting at my origin, which is right here, 0, 0. To find my green dot, I have to go over 5, and I don't go up any. So because I don't go up any, my y coordinate is 0. So that's why over here I wrote 5, 0, because we are literally going to go over 5 and up 0. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my red dot. So if I come over here, my red dot's right there. Start at my origin. I don't go over any. I have to follow this y-axis up. So my over is 0 and my up is 9. So when I put this back over here, my up is 0 and my over is 0 and my up is 9. So again, over 0, straight up 9. Good. So now I'm going to go try to find my orange. So the orange tells me I have to go over 10 and up 3. So over 10, up 1, 2, 3. So 10, 3 is my point for my orange. And then I'm going to find my purple. So my purple dot is right here. So I need to go, start at my origin, go over 3, up 10. So my point is 3, 10 for my purple. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find my, let's see, it's like a purpley color here, pinky purple. So it's right here. So in order to do this, I have to go over 6, up 6. So start at my origin, over 6, up 6. Good. So that's what that looks like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually plot 3 points. So 13, 0, I'm going to put a sun. So I'm going to go over 13, up 0. So I'm going to put a sun there. Very good. So that's 13, 0, over 13, up 0. Now my 0, 3 is a heart. So over 0 and up my y-axis to 3. So I'm going to draw a heart there. So that's over 0, up 3. Over 0, up 3. And now I have 3, 4. 3, 4 is a star. So I'm going to go over 3, up 4. So right here, I'm going to draw a star. Let's check it again. Over 3, up 4. That's where my star goes. So 3, 4.